What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here. And are you mining ALEPHIUM? And have you been curious, what is better, solo mining or pool mining? So as you may have known, the E300s and FPGAs recently got a bit stream added so they can now mine ALEPHIUM. So it doesn't use very much power. They are pretty darn efficient out there. So I decided I am going to solo mine for 7 days to see how this works out. And I'm also going to use my spreadsheet and kind of compare that to pool mining and see how many coins I would have got that day on a pool and see what ends up with more coins in the end. Well, 7 days has gone by, so let's look at the results. And it's not going to take very long to go through this video, so this should be short and sweet, and then you guys can get on with the rest of your day. But let's see what won. Alright guys, so let's just kind of start with the network here. Over the past couple days, it does look like we have been gaining hash rate, which makes sense. It seems miners and stuff are pulling off of Radiant, moving over to ALEPHIUM. On top of that, ALEPHIUM has also been seeing some nice price gains. We're at $2.50 right now, and I'm not a trader or know how to read charts or anything, but this looks like it's extremely bullish in my eyes. All I do is see green. Green looks good to me. Good to go. Let's be bullish here on this coin. Anyway, let's see what kind of rewards I actually got for solo mining versus pool mining. All right, guys, so welcome to my spreadsheet. I'm just going to go through the parts where it shows you how I kind of predicted how much I would have got on a pool. So based on the current network conditions of about 309 terahash right now this very second, if I was pool mining with 14.43 gigahash, I would be getting about 2.38 coins per 24 hours on a pool. Now that is actually be a little bit less because you do have to account for a 15% dev fee as well as whatever the pool fee is that the pool that you're mining on. So it would be slightly less, but you know, as 0% fees, it would be 2.38. So now I'm going to kind of fast forward, and now we're going to look at the amount of coins I got. So day one, I hit 2 blocks solo mining. Coins I did get because the block reward is 2.37. I ended up with 4.74 coins. Now, if I was mining to the pool, which I just went through how I went through every morning at 9 a.m., I looked at the network conditions, plugged that in my spreadsheet, and that's how I got this number. And then I waited 24 hours, and the next day at 9 a.m. again, I plugged in it again based on the current network, and it kind of changed based on the hash rates going up and down for that 24 hours. So here at the pool, I would have got 2.45 coins. So about 95% more coins solo mining because I hit 2 blocks. Now, day two, I only hit 1 block and got the 2.37. Got lucky there's no orphan here. And then moving on to the pool, I would have got slightly more pool mining at 2.48. Obviously, you can see it's a little bit more coins because the network hash rate would have dropped a little bit. Day three, I hit another 2 blocks here. 4.74 coins again, 0 orphans, and the hash rate went up on the network, which resulted in less rewards of only 2.19. So we can see we got a nice boost here. Now day 4, I hit 1 block, 2.37, would have got 2.19 because the hash rate was still around the same levels, as we're still getting the same as the day before here if we were pool mining. But again, here it looks like 1 block for the day would have resulted in more coins. So again, another win in this. Day 5, I hit 2 blocks, 4.74. Pool mining, the hash rate came off a bit. We would have made 2.55, but we hit 2 blocks this day, so things are looking pretty nice. Now, day 6 kind of sucked here. I did not get any blocks, so coins for the day is obviously 0, and the network hash rate did pick up a decent amount, as we would have only made 1.94, which is still 1.94 than if I was solo mining. Regardless, we're still looking like we're doing better than pool mining after 6 days. Now moving on to day 7, which was today and the last day of this actual test here. I hit 1 block, 2.37. We can see the network hash rate went up even more. Only 1.77 coins is what it's looking like as of this morning. So for the total here, I did hit 9 blocks solo mining. So that's pretty good. That worked out in 7 days to be 21.33 ALEPHIUM coins that I did mine with the E300 solo mining. At the pool, I only would have mined about 15.57 coins, and that is an extra 5.76 ALEPHIUM that I did get for solo mining over 7 days than pool mining. So what does it look like based on the current price of $2.50? For 7 days, I made $53.32 solo mining. At the pool, I only would have made $38.92. cents, that is a bonus solo mining of $14.40. So moving forward, because solo mining is so far looking better until at least, you know, a lot more hash comes online or something, or more people move to solo or something. I have no idea how it's all working out. You know, I got very lucky here, but I'm going to keep going on. So day 8, and as for the pool, I was using Viper Pool. As we can see here, this is moving on into day 8, but it looks like I am going to have to put a 0, even though I found a block, because this one was orphaned. So that sucks, my first orphaned block. But on the bright side, it looks like so far every block has been under 100%, which means I have been extremely lucky. I haven't hit any 200-300% days yet. That would kind of obviously cause me to start losing coins in solo mining. But so far, I have been lucky. Everything has been under 100%. You can see I have a total of 10 blocks, only 9 of them counted, and it looks like so far for day 8 I am still at 0 because I'm not going to count any orphan blocks here because the block reward is 0. So there's my results so far on 7 days. It's looking like things are going pretty well while solo mining. Here we can see my current is only 5.5. That's because it looks like the dev fee just kicked in here, but I am averaging around, looks like 13.08 gigahash right now solo mining ALEPHIUM. So thank you very much for checking out this video, guys. If you were curious of solo mining versus pool mining for ALEPHIUM, it is currently looking like solo mining has been doing pretty good as I've been hitting these blocks under 100%. But moving forward, you know, how are things going to play out? I could definitely start hitting those 200 and 300% days and things will be getting worse. But in the end, it may all work out. Now, ALEPHIUM is a very fast blockchain. There's only 4-second blocks here, and that's also helping out why solo mining seems to be doing a lot better. It's also seeming like solo luck has been higher than pool luck, but again, I can't guarantee that that's going to happen. If you want to try solo mine, try it out for yourself, try this again, but I'm going to go for another 7 days. If you want me to update you after 2 weeks, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you for checking this out. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.